Hi, today we're looking at the S1 ECG Kit. If you haven't already watched the video on the S1 module, you can check it out here. But this board is intended to show a little bit of what the S1 module is capable of, and also function as a handy research and development board for students and researchers to quickly log data and develop algorithms on. So let's have a look. To get started, you'll first want to flip the board over and connect this jumper over here. This is also where you can measure the battery current consumption of the S1 module. But simply shorting these two pins out connects the battery to the S1, and now the board is activated. As soon as I touch both terminals, the front end will wake up the S1 module and it will come out of a low power state. The FPGA configures straight away and the board is running. After a few seconds, your pulse will show up on these LEDs. And then as soon as you let go again, the S1 module and the whole board goes back into a low power mode. On the front of the board we see two of the three electrodes which go into the ECG front end. This is an Analog Devices AD8233. The output of this amplifier goes into one of the ADC pins on the S1 module. There you can do any processing, logging over Bluetooth, or running machine learning applications on the FPGA, and then output any information to these LEDs. Each of these are individually connected to one of the different pins coming out of the FPGA. There's also a USB-C charging port and the debug port. On the back of the board, we see a third electrode that goes into the analog front end, a lithium polymer battery, the battery current measurement terminal I showed you before, and some test points to help you during development. So there we have the S1 ECG kit. All of the design files are linked in our GitHub below, as well as the source code. If you'd like to buy one of these boards, you can check out the links below. It's worth mentioning that this isn't a medical device. It doesn't have the levels of safety to be a medical device. It's purely intended for research and learning and evaluating the S1 module. With that said, we'll be making more videos showing how to log data and develop on the S1. So keep an eye out for those, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.